Miley Auto Group, built on strength of experience.
See the latest 2011 Buick Regal. This is a Buick Regal with low miles. With a fuel consumption of 18 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle is competitively priced. This vehicle includes 7 speakers, power windows, cruise control, power mirrors, air conditioning, dash-mounted CD, leather seats, trunk lights, power door locks, trip computer, rear defogger, power steering, fog lights, engine immobilizer, and anti-theft system. All you have to do is enjoy the drive. With its driver and passenger airbag, 4-wheel ABS, and side airbag, this vehicle has the features to protect you and your passengers. Come in to see more vehicles like this one and enjoy our first-class service. Call, click, or come in.